Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a nice early autumn, late summer day. It's beautiful outside, beautiful weather. Checking in right now to the resort's hotel and casino. Heading over to the front desk. Follow me. There is a long line here at resorts. They stopped the mobile check-in at 5 o'clock. I don't know why they do that. There's so many people here. Why would they turn off mobile check-in? I don't know, but that's only making this line a lot longer. Well, I finally got my room. It's 3811 in the Rendezvous Tower. It's 2 queen beds, but I'll take it at this point, and I'll give you a tour of the room as well as the new pool area, including that brand new indoor-outdoor roof. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest Las Vegas video, The Miracle Mile Shops. Good going, Robert. Hey, let's go downstairs and check out the new pool here at Resorts Hotel and Casino. It's a new indoor-outdoor all-year-round pool. They just opened it up about a month or two ago. Let's go check it out. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Now, I was in the Rendezvous Tower. The pool and spa are actually in the Ocean Tower, so you have to go down to the lobby if you're in the Rendezvous Tower, and then head over to the Ocean Tower and get on floor 3, which is where the spa, the salon, and the pool is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.